Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking 5-10 words you want to use in sentences. Choose words at the right level and note part of speech. Once chosen, write quick definitions and one context for each word so you know the typical use. Make sure to prep synonyms and antonyms as cues. Then create a 5-10 minute warm-up where you scan roots and prefixes. This reveals patterns and makes the next step faster and clearer. Now build sentences from those frames. Start with a subject and verb, slot the target word where it naturally fits. Once placed, expand with a modifier or clause to show meaning, add an adjective, adverb, or a short prepositional phrase for clarity. Make sure to check grammar, tense, subject-verb agreement, and correct word form so the sentence feels natural. If a sentence sounds odd, rewrite it using Finish by reading each sentence aloud to hear natural flow and spot awkward phrasing. This reveals misuse quickly. Once done, swap the target word into an alternate sentence to test whether you grasp its flexibility and restrictions. Make sure to save corrected versions and keep a short error log of 3 recurring mistakes so you know what to avoid. If a word still feels wrong, consult its part of speech and try a synonym. That usually resolves misuse and clarifies meaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.